Hello everyone. This is our last step to solve the yellow corners. All. So what we have to do for yellow corner? Already we saw matched all our four edge piece. All edge piece we matched it. So for this we have to hold the cube like this, and unsolved piece should be always on your right side. Okay, and the move will start right down, bottom left, right up, and bottom right. We have to keep moving until you will not find the yellow bar here. Again, right down, bottom left, right up, bottom right. Again we'll start the move right down, bottom left, right up, right up, and bottom right. Again right down, bottom left, right up, and bottom right. So here we can find one yellow bar. Again, now we'll move this to this side and we bring our unsolved one here. Right down, bottom left, right up, bottom right, right down, bottom left, right up, and bottom right. Now we solve this yellow. Again we'll move and we'll unsolved one should be always on our right side. Right down, bottom left, right up, bottom right, right down, bottom left, right up, bottom right, right down, bottom left, right up, bottom right, right down, bottom left, right up, and bottom right. Now we solve this one. Again the last one we are going to solve. This corner, right down, bottom left, right up, bottom right, right down, bottom left, right up, and bottom right. So we solved our all the we all solved all the yellow corners. So what we now you can see we solved our 3 by 3 Rubik cubes. Here is the white layer, blue layer, yellow layer, green, red, and orange. Hope you like my all Rubik cubes videos. Thank you.